Do you know there's a lake in Africa that can literally turn animals into stone? It's called Lake Natron in Tanzania. This lake is incredibly unique, with super high levels of salt and alkaline. When animals accidentally touch or fall into the water, they get preserved in a hard, chalky shell. It's like nature's own way of creating eerie statues. The lake itself has this striking red hue, thanks to the algae that thrive in its extreme conditions. It's hauntingly beautiful, yet a chilling reminder of nature's power. Imagine stumbling upon a place where life and death intertwine in such a surreal way. Isn't that mind-blowing?